think laboratory research was something I really wanted to do because first of all, I always loved science. I love science so much. And working in a lab, you actually further science, which is something not many people get to do, to contribute to what's being written in your textbook. I think that's so crazy.
I think I can speak on behalf of a lot of people who are looking to go into higher education or in a field of science that a higher premium is being placed on early exposure to research.
You know, you learn so much in lectures, but you never actually get to apply it in school. I mean, you have your basic bio and chem labs, biology and chemistry labs, but you know, you eventually get tired of that and you say, I want to do something new, I want to make a change now, I want to help people now. And that is the main reason why I came.
It takes time in the beginning to get used to research and the kind of schedule that goes along with it. But once you do, it's so worthwhile, especially when you get on your own project, you have a passion for it, and you are personally invested in the results. You get a lot out of that experience and a lot of skill.
I work in Dr. Justin Achita's lab, so we do a lot of ALS work here. He's known for taking induced motor neurons and being able to do things such as drug tests and other things on these neurons that are able to model ALS really very well.
So the Menu Lab studies breast cancer metastasis by particularly looking at circulating tumor cells. Because they give way to metastases in specific patterns, we can use them to potentially come up with new therapeutic targets and prognostic factors that can help us treat patients on an individualized basis.
So I am an undergraduate researcher at Dr. Gage Crump's lab, and I work with a postdoc named Joanna Smeaton, and we are looking at zebrafish and their regenerative potential to treat arthritis.
I've been working for the past few months with PhD student Lisa Rutledge. And we're basically looking at a specific type of cell in the developing kidney called the tip cell, which basically drives the branching network in the kidney.
Coming into research, I didn't think I would love it as much as I do. And ever since I've been working here, I've begun to love it so much that I've been changing what I really want to do in my head. I am already thinking maybe I want to pursue an MD PhD or something where I get to do the clinical stuff, but also participate in research as much as I possibly can.
I mean, if you're thinking about doing research, I'd say definitely do it. It's a lot of hours, but it's extremely rewarding, because when you're doing long reactions in the lab and you finally get the result that you're looking for, or you image something that you see you had no idea you would see, it's amazing to see. It's amazing to have that type of feeling. Not to mention that you're surrounded by many people that are older than you, more experienced than you, have a lot more knowledge in the field than you, and you eventually want to work up to that. And what better way to learn from the people that are there and that have been where you are and that have learned from what you are going through right now.